Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to do something quite different for us. I've ordered a pair of shoes and we're going to unbox them. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to review this pair of shoes. This is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Giesswein Merino Runners shoes. Right then, so for the last while, I have been keeping my eye on Allbirds. I wanted to have a pair of super comfy trainers for going to the office before lockdowns happened, and then decided to carry on keeping an eye on them. I didn't really need a new pair of shoes, but the idea of some wool trainers really triggered me into wanting a pair. While shopping around, I was also retargeted by various other brands who offer wool shoes, and one of them was Giesswein. I ordered these shoes online. It was part of a Black Friday deal, and they recently arrived, delivered by DHL. So let's have a look at what Giesswein have to offer in the shoe department. So the box is a simple cardboard box with a bit of branding on it. Lots of logo, which looks like a merino shape, the brand Giesswein and their website, and on the side you can see that you have the particular model and size. In this case I'm size 43 and went for anthracite, which means I have a dark sole and dark body. Now when you open the box, you'll see that there's lots of features of the product shown off. It's a bit like a tech product, in that we're seeing a lot of the specifications before actually seeing the product itself. So here we go. I'm going to open up the paper wrapping and see that I have a pair of shoes. Now these are very nice shoes. They're very, very soft to touch and very light, extremely light in terms of trainers. These are very nice shoes, and you can see there's an extra pair of shoelaces. By default, the shoes come with a set of lighter grey laces, and the anthracite finish on the merino wool of the trainers is very, very nice. It's dark, but there's those little bits of lighter wool in there. And there's a black dark sole there. The sole is not super ribbed. These are not ones that I would use for trail running, but they seem to be extremely lightweight, and from what we've been reading online, they're pretty decent for some light sport as well. Now inside the shoe there's a bit of paper, no plastic insert here. I'm going to put the shoelaces aside and do the same with the other shoe. Now before I put them on, let's see what else is in the box. So if I take the paper wrapping out, there is, oh wow, there's an RFID chip, we'll leave that in there, and there's a little information card saying that merino wool can be washed at 30 degrees, so you can put these through the washing machine, and that Giesswein recommends you air dry these shoes. They recommend you don't waterproof them, but if you do, make sure you get waterproofing for wool. And that's pretty much it. Do not spin dry these is the other warning. But pretty handy informational card. Let's see what the shoes themselves are like. Now they already come laced, as we saw earlier, with the lighter laces. I'm going to slip these on by taking the slip sticker out first. You can see that the insole itself is merino wool as well, so it's pretty consistent, but it's a nice different colour there. And as I look at it from this angle, I see that there is the Giesswein brand on the tongue of the shoe. So let's put the first one on. And it slips on very, very well. Now, according to the reading I've been doing, merino wool shoes tend to soften with time. These are not the tightest of shoes, but there's a bit of tightness on the side for me. But I'm sure that as time goes by, the wool will soften and they'll become a little bit softer. And as you can see on the carpets, this sole doesn't have much grip, which I'm sure is fine, but we'll need to see how that performs in day-to-day on the streets of Edinburgh. Right then, I'm going to slip the other one on, and I have to say, they are very, very soft. Extremely soft, in fact. It's like slippers for wearing outside. Now I have to say, this is not my first experience with wool shoes, but oh, these are so comfy. Yes. I think this is definitely something that I'm going to grow to enjoy. Definitely something that I will be wearing in the weeks to come. Obviously, I'm not a fashion expert, so you can see that I've left the laces showing. I should have tucked these in when I tied up my shoes. But yes, whoa, these are good. Super comfy. So I will be wearing these as my main pair of shoes for the next few weeks, and we'll do a full review of the Giesswein Merino Runners soon here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Obviously, the advantage of merino wool shoes is breathability, which means that, especially when traveling or you're stuck on a plane, you'll get some breathability for your feet. So hopefully soon we'll be able to travel, and I'll be able to confirm that. But for now, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Giesswein Merino Wool Runners. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching. Goodbye from us.